Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Dhan and signing in. Use two-factor authentication to secure access. Next, confirm your trading account is active and KYC is complete because without that you cannot place orders. Once done, link a bank or UPI and check your available margin. This determines trade size. Finally, tap the market segment, equity, futures and options, or currency. This selection tells the app which instruments and order types will be available for the next steps. You now search the symbol and open the live chart to confirm trend and volume so your entry makes sense. Then choose an order type, market for immediate fills, limit to control price, or stop-loss variance to manage risk. Enter quantity and product type, MIS for intraday, CNC to hold shares, NRML for delivery, because product affects margins. Before submitting, review brokerage, exposure, and estimated cost. If everything matches your plan, swipe or tap place order to execute. You finish by monitoring the orders and positions tabs to watch fills and P&L. This keeps you ready to exit. When closing, place an opposite order or a limit sell/buy with target and stop loss to automate exits. If the app shows delayed updates or order rejections, first refresh and recheck available funds and product eligibility. If problems persist, capture the order ID and contact Dhan support. They can resolve mismatches or tech issues while you avoid placing duplicate trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.